What's up, guys? William Agnew here at Jekyll and Hyde, and what we got behind us is what we call a Royce Wraith. And as you guys know, we always say less is more, especially on high-end vehicles such as this one. We don't typically do a lot, but what we do makes a huge difference. And what we did on this is, you guys know, we did a chrome delete. What do chrome deletes do? They make your car look a little more aggressive, a little more sleek, right? Because what it does is that contrast of the blue with the black just makes it pop and stand out. And so what we're gonna be doing is showing you guys exactly what we did on this Royce Wraith to get rid of that chrome and add that black and give it that sleek, aggressive look. All right, guys, so on this Royce Wraith, this beautiful blue, I've never seen a blue that I did not like. Blues just look very good, whether it's a light blue, dark blue, navy blue, whatever. Blue is always a good choice. But what you guys will see here is on the front, we did a chrome delete on the grill. So if you look at this, right, this grill was completely chrome. What we did is we blacked it out. We painted the grill. Again, we told you there's two ways to actually chrome delete. You can paint it or you can vinyl it. In this case, we painted both the grill and we also did the, I think this is called the ecstasy emblem, if I'm not mistaken, but we did the emblem also, which can be a little dangerous because that emblem's worth about $8 grand. That's right, $8 grand. So you got to be very careful when disassembling and reassembling and painting something like this. A lot of risk to it. So if you got a high-end car, bring it to Jekyll and Hyde. We're used to taking those risks. Also, if you guys take a look at the side right here, we got a little emblem on the side, right? Right here that you guys can see. We left a little accent of chrome. Still looks good. We didn't get rid of all the chrome. We left a little bit. Now these door handles, I gotta say, the Wraith of the Rolls Royce has some of the biggest handles I've ever seen on a vehicle. And that's cool when it comes to chrome delete because all of this was chrome. And so when we black that out, obviously there's a significant difference in the look and feel, which looks good on this vehicle. So the next thing we did was the window trim. And as you guys can see, this window trim was very thick. So it had a lot of chrome. That chrome was very distinct. And this car, as nice as it looked, it had 3 different colors. And sometimes when you have 3 different colors, they can clash, especially when you have chrome and a blue and a black. There was a little bit of clashing that was going on. So what we did again is we blacked this out, right? And as you guys can see, that looks a lot more sleek, a lot more aggressive, and contrast, right, looks really good, especially with it being consistently blue and black all over, right? Moving on to the back, the next thing we did was the tail lights, right? So we outlined the tail lights, and you guys can see right here, the trim around the tail lights, and you can see we blacked that out. That was chrome before. And last but not least, we did the little trunk right here. You guys can see right here on the trunk, this was chrome. So we blacked that out and we left the emblem chrome, right, as you guys can see. So the final result, let's see what the customer thinks.
Sick, bro.
You know what you need to do though?
Like it? I love it, man. Looks great.
You know what you need to do though? You need to CPS
Do what?
just because that's such a pretty
I
color.
had no idea it's gonna be this good.
You came to the right place.
Yeah, I did. Early. Man, you definitely get my future business, that's for sure.
Yeah.
We have it right there.
We're gonna do that. But the spirit of ecstasy turned out really well.
Yeah. That's why I told him to give you a call and say let's do it in black.
Man.
OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. Countdown, levitate, going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate. No pump, fake, hesitate. I been scoring every day. Champagne Perrier. Since 9-3, been in the box, now I'm stepping up to home. Like straight out the sand lot, now I'm plotting on the globe.